lost in the wind. Pussy like dust in the wind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my wigs when I use the hot glue gun. It's my hot glue gun. It's not hot. I mean, it's hot, but if I put my finger on, I'm not going to burn myself. It's not one of them hot glue guns. But the hair I'm using today is from Miss Cara hair. This is the 26, and I have 4 bundles, 226, 224, and then a 20-inch closure. I mean, frontal. I'm sorry, 20-inch frontal. So here's all the bundles. So let's get started. Sorry guys for the mess on my desk, but it's a small desk and I have a lot of stuff. But right now I am cutting the wefts on the bundles and then I'm about to hot glue it. Sorry my head is in the way. I didn't realize my head was in the way either. But right now I'm just gluing it down. This is the first track. So now I realized my head was in the way, so I moved it. So now you can see how I glued it down. So I also do a hot glue layer above the track, so when I comb it, like the track won't come out. You have to make sure that when you do glue it, that it's a thick layer of glue, because if it's thin, the track will come out. So I do not hot glue my frontal. I sew that down like if I'm making a wig regular, but the tracks I glue down every single one of those. So it's pretty simple. Just make sure that when you glue it, you make sure there's a thick layer, and then like I said, I put a layer on top of that track I just put down. So yeah.
Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants in a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck. But fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you, looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. Pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. The language we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at a women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table. That feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Baby, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you
guys, so you just see me make the wig and show y'all all of that stuff. I didn't show me customizing it or plucking or anything, but it looks pretty good. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck it. I did pluck a lot, but not a lot, but I did go in and pluck. But here is the hair. The hair is really nice. I really like it. I have worked with this company before. Those videos will be down in the description below, so you can see that. So the details of the hair is I don't receive tangling and I do not receive shedding. None. And I did cut the wefts as y'all seen in me making a wig. And I'm not receiving any shedding. So AliExpress is having a sale 11/11 November 11th, so be on the lookout for that. Everything on AliExpress will be discounted, so make sure y'all go check that out. If y'all are interested in that hair, y'all can get this hair at a discounted rate, which who doesn't like sales? So okay, so that's pretty much it for this review. Everything about this wig with this hair will be down in the description below, so with the vendor's website and their Instagram. So if y'all want to check them out, go see some of my Instagram and my social media. So all my social medias will be down in the description below, so y'all can check me out. So all right, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be late, no.